Hey everybody! In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to extract the zip files in your Windows step by step. So let's just get started. So you can start by locating up your zip file. You can find the zip file. I'm just gonna go to my folders for that. And once you open it up, you can find the zip file. Right now, I have this zip files available on my screen right here. So it should be in .zip form, and it usually looks like a folder with a zipper icon in it. So what you need to do is basically right click on the file, and once you right click on the file, from the menu that appears on your screen, you need to select the option of extract all. And once you select the extract all, you can just go over and click on browse, this option right here, to choose a folder where you want to extract it files to go, and just go over and click on this option called extract. And that will extract. You can just go over and do so, and you will be finding the extracted file being available here. Now, a new folder will appear with all your files ready to use. You can now open the file that you have, and you can now move, edit them just like any other file. And if you just want to view files without extracting, you can double click on the zip file as well, like this. And there you will be finding the files directly inside it. But remember that they are not fully extracted unless you use the extract all option. But this is how you basically extract the information. It is pretty quick and easy and built right in. So do not forget to give this video a like if this video was helpful, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.